Guys, so today we're going to be unboxing these headlights I bought. If you can't tell, been working on the truck. I think I got the lift figured out in the front, so I got all my parts here. I got the sway bar, all that, because I finished the one side that I started working on. I had to flip the upper control arms. I filmed some of that today, but I only got the one side done because every problem I could have had today possibly doing this lift happened. But yeah. So enough of that. Expect that video either tomorrow or the next day, part 2 to the lift kit. And these are going to be the headlights. These I'm not going to be putting in probably 4 days maybe. Then I got the wheel spacers. I'm going to unbox that probably tomorrow. We'll see. This is what it looks like. I got these off. These I think I got off eBay. They were only $100. It was actually cheaper than a set of OEM headlights. So these are just blacked out. My other ones were yellowed, and some things were cracked because of multiple accidents it's been in. This is what you get, smoked out. I actually really like it. It's basically cheap OEM with tint on it, and the inside's also blacked out too, so that's awesome. I don't want to take this off yet because I want to not scratch it before I put it onto the truck, because I have a problem with fucking up new parts recently, I noticed. I don't think it's me. It's just because I put them places and other people do it, but whatever. Yeah, these are only $100 on eBay, but these are OEM with the tint and smoked out housing. So, oh yeah, I didn't even tell you guys, it came with this too. I didn't even want this. Like, I really didn't even want this with it. It came with it, so I was like, fuck it. These are going to go on the underside of, either on the roof racks on either side of the truck, because I'm getting a light bar for the front, and I'm going to get a reverse light. I want 360 lighting, so when I'm in trails, in case there's animals, people, whatever, you know what I'm saying, like, or I'm sleeping in the forest or whatever, because I'm doing a camping trip coming up, I could just press a button, turn all 360 lights on, and see what the fuck's around me, and hopefully that'd scare them off. But so I'm probably even going to use this, I don't know, because now it's lifted, the frame sits high up, and it sits below the body, so I might have it attached onto the frame, but then I was thinking, what if water gets in there? I don't know if these are waterproof. So, either on the frame, pointing out to the side, on either side, or the roof racks. Let me know, guys. I don't like the silver chrome look to them, though. That's why I want to try and hide them if possible. It's the other one right here. I'm not even going to bother opening that one up, because I'm going to be putting this one back right here. Yeah, for $100 for this, and you saw what else it came, a cheap China box of fucking LEDs right there. I don't even fucking really want those, but I wanted this. Because I was looking at LED ones, and they were both, they were about $400, and there was not one I could find that I liked, and I was not going to spend $400 on headlights if I did not look at them all the time and knew that, yeah, this is the one. This is the one I want to fucking, it's the one I like, you know what I'm saying? But, yeah, so these aren't LEDs. I don't really care. I'm getting HIDs for it. It's just fine for now. It's just something to tone it up, because the other ones are fucked. Eventually I will get LED housings for it, whatever, I don't care. But I'm also getting 32-inch tires next week. I'm getting my license this week, I think, hopefully. Fingers crossed. These townships send their disposition letters so I can restore my license. Then I'll buy the tires, so I could drive to Firestone, have them install them instead of take all 4 wheels off, drive them there, then drive them back, put them on, you know what I'm saying? And I don't want to spend $600 if I'm not ready to use the truck. Everything's fixed and it's lifted. That's what I wanted. I got the wheel spacers, I got the headlights, that's fine. I'm not spending another $600 on tires until I know I'm getting my license. But watching a little Do It With Dan. I watched his YouTube a while back. I used to fuck with him. I don't know why I unsubbed. He must have said something that pissed me off. I don't know. But I'm watching him again. But, yep, that's it. Stay tuned for part 2 of the lift kit. The beginning of the video where I did the first corner on the driver's side, that I started. The first one that you guys saw in part 1, I didn't film like pretty much none of that, but the other side is the one I'm going to film. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember to comment, rate, subscribe. Follow me on IG. Peace.